Oh, yep. Lost a few branches. I don't know what that jug is in the middle. Okay. Stuff is glowing. And this is not even the peak of the storm yet. We've lost power, so there's the generator going. I don't know if you guys can hear me over this wind. This is what's going on in Wayne, Maine right now. We just had a semi come rolling by on our dirt road. And oh! Whoa. This one makes me nervous. Wow. I don't know that I've ever seen wind like this here. Oh. Looks like we're about to lose a tree. Whoa. I feel like I'm in an episode of Twister out here. You can see, let's make sure we've got wood. Got a tarp on it that appears to be secured. Garden stuff is all over the place. Whoa. Holy moly. That one's right over the house. Oh, that tree's gotta go. Uncut, unedited, folks. We've lost power. Mom's lost power. All right, hold on. Okay, I'm lovely. I can't take it. Oh, you can see the Christmas tree inside. Okay, so I gotta tell you, there's nothing like a good power outage to make you just slow down, take a minute. I was just having this conversation with one of my other YouTube friends, Hippie Chick Off Grid, who has, by the way, is off grid, so she has no idea about power outages. Did you notice? Whoa! Whoa! Oh, I got hit in the face by a leaf! Oh my god! There it is! Look! That leaf just hit me in the face! I forgot! I got hit in the face with a wet leaf!
First time in Maine?
No, it's not my first time in Maine. Holy moly. I've got raindrops all over my glasses. Look at that, guys. That's probably closer to my face than any of you ever wanted to be.
Yep, we're in gale force winds.
Gale force winds. I'm glad we're not on the boat right now. Oh, look. What the heck is all that? I gotta turn you guys around.
It's calmed down now, too.
Look. Tiny House Lake is back.
Right.
Tiny House Pond. I wonder if there's any fish in there.
I'm going to say there's some trout and some rain.
Well, but our pool cover on the pool base is all pretty destroyed now, even more destroyed than it ever was.
On the next dump run.
It's on the next dump run is what it is. Alright. Alright, you guys
That's
get...
calmed down.
It has calmed down a little bit. I just got some good gusts.
Say the gust run is supposed to be up to 60 plus.
Oh, there we go. You know what concerns me? That tree right there. Because that literally is, when it sways, it's right over the house, and I hope it doesn't snap. Or even worse, get uprooted. This is a bit scary. Oh my gosh, you should see the clouds. I don't know if this will come across, but can anybody see how fast those clouds are moving? Look at them. Holy moly. And they're low. The clouds are treetop. The clouds.
Yeah, that is like 3 to 500.
Well, they're at treetop right now. They're not 300 to 500. They're more like 50.
Right out here.
Okay. Well, we're going in.